Right guys, we are fishing. We are fly fishing, the first trip of the year. And I've brought you in just as I've got down to the bank. Down on the Glan Usk Estate in Trout in Wales. On the bridge beat, I think it's called. I'm just getting myself prepared. Now, we're going to see how we get on here. Just going to wade out a little bit gently. And then I can see a few rises just in front of me. So we are going to see if we can rise a fish. I've got my old faithful on, the Elke Caddis. Weapon of choice today, I've got a 9-foot 6-weight sport fish rod, and I've got the Ovis Bat and Kill 5 to 6 reel. The rod I got at the car boot sale for a grand old sum of £20 a few years back, and the reel I bought off my buddy Chris. So I'm just go in front of us here. It's a beautiful place. It is. So the fish are rising just in front of where I've cast. I'm just going to, as normally they say, where there's a fish rising, there's normally one by the side of it. Let's get the sunglasses on. So yeah, Elke Cad is sitting well in the water. It is. A couple of nice casts here. So right now we're see how we get on with that. Okay, that's swimming nice. That's nice. A little bit of drag. Okay, that's got nice. Oh yeah. I'm just going prospecting at the moment. But we're looking for a nice rise. Oh wow, that was a nice rise then just here. I wonder if we can, that's a bit of a distance away from where I am, but we're going to have to have a go for it, guys. Don't know if you've seen it. He's still there. Cast was good. Cast was good. Well, there's a lot of fish rising now, so hopefully we can tempt one out. Chris has just joined me. Come on. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous beat. A bit of colour in the water, but it's not too bad. One of my better casts of the day. Be nice to see a rise, to rise a fish. But I rose it. I got him up in the air. It's a good start. Come on, you buggers. Let's have you. Come on, it's a good cast. It's a good cast. Come on, take it. Take it. Goes in, it's fast then. Starting to see some activity now, guys. I just rose a fish for the first time today. There's some hatches coming off. Definitely activity here. Now we've just got to get a fly. Ah, I missed it again. Ah, this is frustrating. Okay, guys, just come back up to another beat. I've got a parachute Adams on. Oh, bugger. That wasn't a good start. That wasn't a good start. Better get that sorted. Do you want to have a go for it first?
Yeah, you have a go. I'm just going to nip in here.
Okay. Right, here we go. Okay. I'm going to go just above. A family of ducks coming down. Whack, whack. Oh, bugger. Right, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we can do with a parachute Adams. Some line out. My casting has been absolutely awful today. It's the first time I've fished in probably 12 months, fly fished. So it's allowed to be a bit poor. I reckon so anyway. Tell you what I haven't done. I've had to change my leader and I haven't greased it up so it floats. That's a bit of a bugger. Should have done that. Okay, let me have a few casts here and I've got to get it done. A lovely bit of water. I don't know, 2 foot deep. The siskin's floating about. Gotta improve my technique, I have. Fly's looking good there. Yeah, floating down lovely, looking natural. It is. Okay, see a couple of hatches coming off. It looks like a mayfly. Oh yep, I'm tangled up in the net. Fly pinged out nicely. No rises yet. Ducks are having a watch. I think the fly might be caught on the leader. Yeah, it is. Got a bit of a tangle there. Try and tidy that up before I get in too much of a pickle. What's happened there? How have I done that? some powder on. Chris has just got in, so I've got some rippers. I'm just gonna put a few casts out. In front of me, there's fish rising. Gotta be one year for us somewhere. Has to be a fish here. It's gotta be the wrong fly. Haven't you rose one fish all day? I'm just gonna stop and we're gonna film a bit of Chris fishing. Hopefully Chris can get a fish on camera. I think I could buy one in the fish and chip shop today. He's casting well. See, there's plenty of little hatches coming off. There it is. Come on, have a fish. Hanging close to the bank here. No good. Right, come on, let's have a go. Let's have a go ourselves then. That went out nice. Turned the fly over nice. I think like 1 in 4 casts is good. I think you have a free scale of fish. I can see that hatch coming off here. Oh, the buggers are teasing me. Right, that's well within casting range. Let's see if we can put the fly over there then. And drift onto him, yeah? Okay, that's just where he went. We drift over the top of him. Come on, you bugger. Come on. Come on. No such luck. Put on his nose. Come on, take it. No. Oh. They're teasing me, guys. They really are teasing me. I put a fly in, he goes just below it or just above it. Come on. Come on, you bugger. Oh. Right. Casting out. Come on. He's teasing me big time. Right. on your nose. A bit short here again we were. Chris has got a fish on, guys. He's got a fish on. Looks a nice fish. It looks a nice fish. Yeah, he's got it there. Go on, get it. Oh yes, a lovely fish. Chris has got one, fantastic. What is it, about a pound? Well done, mate. Okay guys, we swapped over to this guy. Not quite sure what he is, but I like the look of him. The old faithful has let me down. And I think what we're in now is Last Cast Saloon. Or Ship Creek, whatever you want to call it. No, I missed them, I wasn't looking. I seen that one rise. Oh, what have we done here then? Come on, you buggers. Let's go and have a go. I missed that as well. I was untangling myself. Alright, there we are. Oh. I was like, good, fish on.
Oh, well done.
Fish on. Fish on. I haven't landed it yet. Oh, he's off.
Oh, you're kidding.
He's off right at the end. Ah. Frustrating. I seen it. It was a nice fish. I didn't land him. It didn't count. But hey, we had a fish on. Come on in, you bugger. Let's see what you got for me. Come on in. Just come back up to the top hole where we started today. Just have a few casts. So the sun's come out. We did say we were going to pack up at 6, but we haven't. So the state, guys, it's some fantastic beach here. It is. We've paid £45 for today, so it's a tad on the expensive side, but it is fantastic. Well looked after grounds. All the fish are wild. They're not stocked. Back knows I've done this today, yeah. My back and my shoulders. Certainly out of practice. Anyway, let's see if we can tempt one out. Been 1 year all day teasing us. Be good if we can get him. My fishing's not been good today, I must admit. Well out of practice. More bad casts than good. Even on my reel setup wrong to start with. That's never good. Ooh, there's a rise here, just let's see if we can get a photo of it. Go on. Take it, you bugger. Take it. We floated over where he rose. Right, let's see if we can put a fly on it then. Come on, you bugger. Teasing me. A nice cast there. Right. Cast didn't do very well at all. I think we might have lost our fly there. Oh, no.